Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samira. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. So guys, today I'll be teaching you how to cut and sew a bishop sleeve top, and I'm using 2 yards of Duchess material to achieve this style. So please sit back and enjoy this tutorial, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified so that you can watch my tutorial. You'll be the first to see it, and don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe. Now you can like, comment, let us know what you think about our tutorial, and please watch this particular tutorial to the end for you to support this channel to grow. I really want this channel to grow this year. Please, if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end. Let's get started now. So we are cutting a simple top with a bishop sleeve, and I'm using 2 yards of Duchess material to achieve this style. Please, I'll start with my length of my top, which is 23.5 inch. Okay, so it's 23.5 inch for the length of my top that we are making today, and I'm using 2 yards of Duchess material to make this style. Okay, so I'll go for my neckline, which is 5 inch. I'm going by 5 inch for my neckline. All right, so the depth of my neckline is by 2 inch. Okay, so it's 2 inch for the depth of my neckline. So I'll just give a curve. It's a small round neckline. Okay, all right, so I'll go for my shoulder now, which is 8 inch. Okay, so it's 8 inch is for the shoulder. Okay, so then I'll just rule a line. So I'm sloping my neckline by 1 inch. Please, I'll slope my shoulder by 1 inch. All right, so I'll just connect it. Okay, so I'll measure my half length now, which is 50 inch. So the half length is by 50 inch. All right, so the width of my top that I'm making is 11 inch. So my bust measurement now is 40 inch. Then I'll add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. Then I'll rule a line. Then I'll curve my armhole now. Please hope you are following up, guys. So I'm going by 38 inch for my waistline. Then I'll add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. So I'll go by 40 inch for my hip. Then I'll add 1 inch again for my sewing allowance. So what I'll do now, just connect all the marks together. Okay, hope you are seeing what I'm doing, and please don't forget to like this tutorial, and you can also comment, let me know what you think about today's tutorial. It's very simple for you to make on your own. So I'm using 2 yards of Duchess material to achieve this simple top that we are making. It's going to have a bishop sleeve on it. It's very simple. All right, so please keep on watching this tutorial so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making today, so that you'll be able to cut and sew it on your own. So it's another way for you to support my channel to grow. Please watch this particular tutorial down to the end, guys. Okay, so I'm cutting the front piece now. So we are going to use this back piece to cut. Please, we are going to use this front piece to cut the back piece. We are cutting the front piece, and I hope you are following up. All right, so that you can understand it and cut it on your own. So don't forget, we are using Duchess material, and it's 2 yards of Duchess material that we are using to achieve this style that we are making today. Very simple to learn how to cut and sew. So now is the back piece. I'll just use the front piece to lay on the back, and then we are going to cut it out. It's very simple to do. Alright, so after cutting the back piece, we are going to cut our bishop sleeve now. So the next step is for us to cut our sleeve. Alright, so I'm going for my length of my sleeve, which is 21, and my armhole I'm going to use 1.5 inch. Alright, that's the length of my sleeve. Guys, the width is by 10 inch, okay? So the length is by 21 inch. Alright, so you can see how simple it is. Then the round sleeve is 12 inch, okay? So my armhole is by 1.5 inch. Please, the round sleeve is 10 inch. Sorry about that. So on that place that I'm marking 12 inch, so I also mark one. So I'm marking 12 now. So on that place that I mark 12, I will mark 8 inch. Then I will now connect all the marks together. Okay? You can see how simple it is for you to cut your bishop sleeve. So I'm going to also teach you guys how to attach the band on it, because it's going to have a band at the edge of the sleeve. Alright, please keep on watching so that you can understand this style that we are making today. Alright, I hope you are enjoying the tutorial, guys. So don't forget, we are making a simple top that is going to have a bishop sleeve on it, and this top you can wear it out on your jean, on your skirt, you can wear it to your place of work, you can wear it as a casual top, you can also wear it as a corporate top also. It's a very unique style that we are making, very simple to cut and sew on your own after watching this tutorial. Alright, so this is the band that we are going to use to form the bishop sleeve. So my length is 24 inch and the width is 2 inch. So I'm cutting the two bands together. Okay, so after cutting it, so what we'll do, we'll iron it, then we'll run a stitch on it, and I'm going to also teach you guys how to attach it on the sleeve. Alright, so before then, I'm dragging the sleeve because it's going to have a small puff on it. So I'm dragging it. This is how to go about it. I'm dragging the thread to form the puff that will be on the sleeve. So you can see how beautiful the sleeve is. It's ready. So this is how to go about it when attaching your band on your bishop sleeve. So at the edge of your sleeve, that's where you attach it. Then after that, we'll run a stitch on it and attach it on the main top. It's a very simple top that we are making, and the sleeve also is very simple. You can see how beautiful our bishop sleeve top is ready, and you can see that it's a very simple to learn how to cut and sew on. So let us wear it out so that you can see the beauty of the top. Very beautiful. You can see how simple it is. Like I said, you can wear it on your jean, you can wear it on your skirt, you can wear it to your place of work, you can wear it as a casual wear also. Please, hope you understood what we did today. I believe you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I believe you also learned one or two things today. So guys, don't forget we made use of 2 years of this Duchess material, and please, you can subscribe, like and comment, and turn on your notification bell to get notified to see my new tutorial. My joy is for you to learn how to cut and sew these styles after watching my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and this is coming out from my heart. I love you all. Okay, so please, I'll see you next time on my next tutorial, and you can also support my channel by watching my tutorial. Please, you can check my other video now.